Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that sits on approximately 1.17 acres of land with waterfront and the main road access. It is located in Mount George Penn, St. Thomas. This home can be used for a single family home or it can comfortably accommodate three families. The house is comprised of a ground floor with four bedrooms, two bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, laundry, and two carports. The upper floor, section 1, has the living, dining, kitchen, two bedrooms, one bathroom, and one balcony. Section 2 has two bedrooms, one bathroom, kitchen, and a living area. This property has great potential for the savvy investor as it's a win-win with enough land space for further development or subdivision. Call your realtor today to discuss viewing this amazing property. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million, US 411.9 thousand, Canadian 589.7 thousand, Euro 378.4 thousand, or 320.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.